March 14th, 2026. Southern Fried Rides. Beer, barbecue, and burnouts. We parked over here on 129. I don't know if that's a mistake or not. This is where we parked last time. I don't like being the first one over there. Don't know if somebody will put a ticket on there for us or not. We're going to check out these. We'll be using the Insta360 X5 as well. We're going to try to get some slow motion video for the burnouts. US 129 has turned into a racetrack. Local law enforcement needs to take control of it.
You have got him on that bill.
I'll be able to tell you whether this is original or not. I had one, ordered it special from the factory. Cowl hood. We had 375 horsepower. That one doesn't have the smog pump on it. Mine had the smog pump on it. Correct console and dash. Paid $3,569 for mine. Ordered it from the factory. It's Cortez silver with a black vinyl top. Sold it in '74 for $1,250. The 69 says Z28. I don't know if that's original or not. No, it's late model heads. It just doesn't have the original heads for sure. It's got the bolt holes in the heads. And see, the cowl hood is different. Old flat head. Here you are, CC, rat rod. Biscayne. That's an interesting setup. A late model. A little Mustang. This is a 60, 61. updated, modern LS style. Got the computer. The old Ford air compressor.
Oh yeah.
And see, that's the original heads. It doesn't have the screw holes in the heads. Nice looking truck. That's a neat little thing, isn't it? Pontiac Firebird 400. Got the same interior. They're just about their Camaro, really. Camaros and these Firebirds are about the same. Now this is interesting. I don't recognize that engine. A 460, 427. I don't know what that thing is. Another flathead. It's Cutlass. That's a correct hood on that 350 SS. I had in my possession at one time a 66 automatic steering brakes and air car that I put a 427 and a turbo 400 in and ended up selling it. And Frank's El Camino, so this is a 69 El Camino. Frank's is an 80. He's put a 454 in his. Here's your old Ford convertible. What's this thing? Old flathead. Now this would be fun. This would be a fun car here. This would be a fun car. 57 Chevrolet.
Yeah, look at it from right here. It looks like almost like a monkey.
Late model heads. It's not the original. This would have been a 283 or 6-cylinder originally. But yeah, 57 they came out with the 283 and I guess 57, not 56. I think it's still 265 and 56.
But it's straight pipe. It don't mean monkey. That's about what, 50? I would have known that. I was going to say 53. But the first series 55. You know, they made two of them 55. That was the first one. And the second one was like that right there. Oh, okay.
Okay, we'll cut down through here and then come back up. Bobby always has some interesting stuff in here. Real good guy. If you're in the arcade, Jefferson, check him out. He's always got some good stuff here.
Gonna be barbecue tonight.
Yeah.
Trying not to show people if I don't have to. Another old fry here.
My skin is so white. Like, they don't like her